In our previous tutorial, we discussed how to create a new MEGA-CITIGEN city and save it as a preset. In this tutorial, we'll discuss how to set up animation renders with a lower-spec PC or Mac, using your city. Chapter 3: Setting up renders. Let's load up the preset you've saved. Let's move to a street and get a view of the city. Even if you had saved the city as a preset with crowds and vehicles visible, MEGA-CITIGEN will hide them when loading as a preset. Let's make them visible again, before we proceed with rendering. Now that we have crowds and vehicles, let's save this file to activate Bake Scene for faster rendering. Click Bake Scene for faster rendering. Now, here's the trick for average spec computers. Before you do anything, hide from viewport all layers in the instance collection, except the ground and buildings. The viewport will become responsive even with average spec computers. Let's set up a simple point of interest animation shot. Now the camera has been set. There's another important thing to do before rendering. Switch to the wireframe mode and press the minus key several times. Our camera will be facing the inner face of a wireframe cube. Select the cube and switch to edit mode. And select the face. Now, resize the face so that it roughly covers the camera. All the buildings outside this face will be excluded from the rendering process, saving huge amount of GPU and host memory. Let's do a test render. You see, it looks less realistic because it's flat with no motion blur and no atmospheric haze. Let's add some atmospheric haze and motion blur. Let's go to the MegaCitigen Compositor panel and click Activate MegaCitigen Compositor. To set up the compositor correctly, we need a new render. Let's adjust the haze color. Use Color Picker to find the right haze color. And let's tweak the haze distance limit to get the right thickness. Let's add more camera views to this scene. Now we're all set. There's one last important step left. Click Create and Show Render Batch File. In your Blender Files location, a rendering batch file will be created, along with a dedicated folder for its renders. Run the batch file. If you are on a Mac, a Python file and a shell script will be created. Go to the terminal and run the shell script. And here's the final result. In our next tutorial, we'll discuss how to export your MEGA-CITIGEN city to Unreal Engine 5 and other software. Thank you for watching.